We turn to those attempting to capitalize on this widening political vacuum within the opposition space. The anti-BJP bloc now looks fractured, fatigued and directionless. And right in the middle of this churn, there is a party, a Cockroach Janta Party, which is attempting to emerge as the newest disruptor. 2 days before the India bloc huddle, the chief Cockroach Janta Party founder Abhijit Dipke says he's returning to India on the 6th of June. A protest is planned at Jantar Mantar aimed at tapping into youth anger over exams, jobs and the economy. The movement is right now trying to go beyond memes and social media. Support has come from names like Sonam Wangchuk, former Aam Aadmi leader Anjali Damania, and TMC's, well, lo and behold, Mahua Moitra, who has had no time to go to Bengal and support Mamata Banerjee, but is supporting the Cockroach Janta Party. Even the Indian Youth Congress has put out posts hinting at a similar cockroach-style mobilization, sensing an opportunity to gain traction. But questions are now being raised over the credentials of CJP's newly appointed spokespersons. Yes, it is officially a political party, even if it doesn't have a symbol that is registered so far. 3 spokespersons have been appointed, and their links with the Aam Aadmi Party, pro-Umar Khalid stance and advocacy of Article 370 is all out there. But is the youth really rallying behind CJP? Can this online movement find its feet offline? And the bigger question, is a tottering opposition looking to piggyback on a fledgling movement? All of these are the questions.
Hello everyone. I have decided to come back to India. यस, मैं अपने देश, अपने घर इंडिया वापस आ रहा हूँ एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान का रेजिग्नेशन मांगने के लिए।
जितने लोग होंगे वांगचुक जी के साथ सब पार्लियामेंट स्ट्रीट पुलिस स्टेशन जाएंगे। वहां पे पुलिस के पास जाके वी विल आस्क फॉर परमिशन टू प्रोटेस्ट at Jantar Mantar.
That joker is coming tomorrow, I guess, and they are very happy playing him as a back fiddle. It's better you all merge into that cockroach party, because you are the real cockroaches of this country who have been eating this country for the last 70 years, 70 years. Cockroach बन जाओ भाई, उसी पार्टी में मर्ज कर लो, कांग्रेस को भी आपको। वैसे भी कॉकरोच तो समूह में ही रहते हैं, तिलचट्टों का समूह ही होता है। Good enough.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Going across to the debate, joining me tonight, Manish Bariyar is the political analyst, Harshvardhan Tripathi, Anand Ranganathan, Vivek and Ashwini continue to be with us. And Anand Ranganathan, how do you see these new developments? Spokespersons have been appointed. It's almost like 2011 Ramlila Ground 2.0. कुछ लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं, and it's a new startup that you see happening here. What do you think?
One morning, Gregor Kejriwal woke up after an unsettled dream and found himself transformed into a giant cockroach. Navika, honestly, this is straight out of the Kafka playbook. The Cockroach Janta Party is Aam Aadmi Party 2.0, with an aim to resurrect the dying party and fool the people once again with their moral and ethical posturing, just like Kejriwal did in 2011. CJP is a bunch of anarchists, leftists, propagandists, double-dealing hypocrites, Kejriwal-trained fascists, utter failures in life, who are piggybacking on genuine Gen Z grouses to begin with. But just like AAP piggybacked on anti-corruption issues initially, these guys will soon show their true colors that are a rainbow of communism, state control, fascism, anti-merit, anti-Hindu, India breakup fantasies. Just expose them by asking if they think Shaheen Bagh was illegal, or if they think Kejriwal and Mamata also stifled free speech as much as Modi did, and you will know the answer. But here is the thing. These guys have the right to be what they are, illogical, irrational dregs of the society. Look, as a free speech absolutist, I am fundamentally against the state stifling free speech or expression. I don't find Cockroach Janta Party threatening India's security and sovereignty. Yes, it has political applications, but so what? The true test of liberal democracy. Navika is standing up for illiberal marauders of common sense, those who are landfill of lies, mediocrity, propaganda, terror, apology, Hindophobia, slander, anarchy, and all other attributes that make them gush methane from time to time. Now, final point, 30 seconds. And here is where I feel Modi is being ill-advised. The BJP has lost the plot and missed the bus. The grouse of Gen Z is real. And the sad part is, all the issues that the Cockroach Janata Party is taking up had already been taken up by right-wing, meritorious, pro-Modi right-wingers. They also call themselves cockroaches.
Well, that may be true. That may be true. But Ashwini Kumar Mishra, parties like the Congress party jumping on this bandwagon, आपके अपने issues कम पड़ गए थे क्या that you need to piggyback on a Cockroach Janata Party?
पहली बात तो नाविका जी, मैं आनंद रंगनाथन को पिछले 1 मिनट सुना और द वे ही वाज स्पीकिंग विद द फ्रीक्वेंसी, आई रिमेंबर सम ऑफ दोस ओल्ड हिटलर स्पीचेस एक्चुअली वेयर ही यूज्ड टू स्पीक.
अब आनंद रंगनाथन भी हिटलर लगने लग गया. कमाल है भाई.
बट दैट इज व्हाट आई ना आनंद रंगनाथन समटाइम्स
सुन लीजिए विवेक साइलेंस जी, किम जोंग यून पर आप इतना सेंटी हो गए थे, यहाँ आनंद रंगनाथन को हिटलर बुलाया जा रहा है.
आख्तुंग अश्विनी,
मैंने बोला कि मुझे एक हिटलर की स्पीच याद आ गई. दैट वाज द फ्लो, दैट वाज
any similarity to Hitler's other attributes is purely coincidental. Disclaimer.
राहुल गांधी के ग्रैंडफादर मुसोलिनी की आर्मी में थे, तो मुसोलिनी की याद आनी चाहिए.
नाविका जी पॉइंट, नाविका जी.
अच्छा अश्विनी जी बोलिए.
आनंद जी, आप साइंटिस्ट हो, दैट मीन्स आप पढ़े लिखे व्यक्ति हो. अगर आपको लगता है
ओके, गो ऑन विद योर पॉइंट. दिस इज अ शॉर्ट डिबेट, आई डोंट हैव टाइम. अश्विनी, गेट टू द पॉइंट.
आवाज उठाना, अगर हाँ, आई अंडरस्टैंड. द पॉइंट इज दैट एनीवन हु स्पीक फॉर people who speak for a student is welcome. It is not a political issue. It is an issue where students are suffering, be it with respect to CBSE exam, be it with respect to NEET. Don't make it political. It is not about the individual also or a political party. I think everyone should speak against the government of.
I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. But is this issue being dealt with apolitically? And that is the question I want to ask Manish ji. Manish ji, is the Cockroach Janata Party or the Congress piggybacking on it being apolitical? Certainly not. We are all equally horrified with what has happened as far as NEET leakage is concerned or CBSE is concerned. But are they being apolitical or totally political?
See, Congress party is bereft of ideas. I would say idea bankruptcy is there. So, there is no other way except for them to piggyback on this. But having said that, I think a lot is being made out of this entire thing. We all understand that algorithms, they reward anger. They don't reward violence. They reward outrage, they reward humor, dissatisfaction. So a viral protest like these, in fact, anyone these days dances inappropriately and you will see, 5 lakhs, in fact, likes on that. So I'm not dismissing entire thing. Challenges there. And you also mentioned, right, those challenges are all there. But I don't think that this is such a big issue that it requires that kind of a discussion. I feel that this particular government is, personally, I feel.
Well, we'll sort out that visual.
I was facing some issues. So I feel that challenges are there. There is a dissatisfaction, but you have to give credit to this government, the way it has actually ensured that the youth is able to actually have the aspirations. Congress party में कौन सी aspiration थी? What kind of aspiration youth?
Well, currently there are problems and we all have to recognize the problem. But Vivek Silas, महुआ मोइत्रा जी कह रही हैं कि कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी जो है वो बड़े अच्छे इशू उठा रही है. महुआ मोइत्रा जी के पास कलकत्ता का नंबर है या लाइन कट गई?
देखिए नाविका जी, सिर्फ महुआ मोहित्रा जी ने नहीं, कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी का सपोर्ट और उनके ऊपर शाबाशी देने का काम हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव जी ने भी किया था. आपने उनका ट्वीट नहीं पढ़ा और कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी ने उनका धन्यवाद भी दिया था, वो भी मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. देखिए, कॉकरोच आपके साफ सुथरे ऑफिस में नहीं मिलता है. कॉकरोच यहाँ एक भी नहीं दिखाई देगा, ना दिख रहा है. कॉकरोच मिलता है कचड़े में, गंदगी में. और ये जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी और केंद्रीय सरकार का ये जो कचड़ा है ना, ये जो सिस्टम है ना, उसमें अब गंद आने लगी है, और ये गंद इतनी ज्यादा हो गई है कि उसमें 2,30,00,000 कॉकरोच पैदा हो गए।
फिर आपके
भारतीय
बाजुए
जनता
कातिल में जोर नहीं था कि कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी का आपको सपोर्ट लेना पड़ा? सवाल तो मेरा ये है हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी कि ये सारी ऑपोजिशन जो इंडिया अलायंस की एक मीटिंग कर रही है 8 तारीख को, इनके पास दम नहीं था, इनको कॉकरोचों की जरूरत पड़ गई।
नविका जी, सबसे पहले तो ये कि इस देश का नौजवान कॉकरोच को पहली नजर में देखते ही चप्पल मारता है, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करता है। दूसरा फैक्ट ये कि कॉकरोच गंदगी समाप्त नहीं करता है, कॉकरोच गंदगी से बीमारी बढ़ाता है, वायरस पैदा करता है। कॉकरोच यहां चला जाता है, वहां गंदगी और बढ़ जाती है। भारत को कॉकरोचेज की जरूरत नहीं है। और इस देश की पार्टियों का मानसिक दिवालियापन आप सोचिए। ये कमाल है कि अखिलेश यादव ने पोस्ट किया सीजेपी वर्सेस बीजेपी 2027। क्या हाल हो गया है? यानी समाजवादी पार्टी अब कहीं रही नहीं। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपनी यूथ विंग को पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करने के लिए लगा दिया है। अलग अलग पार्टी के नेता वो सीजेपी में भविष्य देख रहे हैं। और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, इस देश में स्टूडेंट्स के बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं, हम सब उस पर सरकार से अकाउंटेबिलिटी फिक्स कराना चाहते हैं, जवाब मांग रहे हैं। नीट की प्रॉब्लम हो,
Absolutely. But is the solution now in a new political outfit? I thought it was a movement, it was an expression of dissatisfaction, but no, the true colors are here. It is a political agenda. And if it is a political agenda, then पहली opposition क्या ही बुरी थी और वो कर नहीं सकती क्या? Is that why CJP is trying to be the new flavor? Well, we can't write it off. It is something that is happening. As they say, watch this space. We'll be back with more of what happens. But for now, of course, the question is the opposition losing its team? Is CJP now the new knighted shining armor trying to fight their battles? That's the question we are asking. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to my panelists. And thank you, viewers, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night. Be safe. I'll be back tomorrow with the News Hour at 9.